Liquidity comes before investment in financial planning. Before building wealth, build access. The cornerstone of sound financial planning is liquidity, not returns, not asset allocation, but the ability to access funds when life demands it. Start with an emergency fund. Liquidity planning begins with a dedicated emergency fund that can cover 6 to 8 months of essential expenses, EMIs, utility bills, school fees, and daily living costs. For those with variable income or self-employment, this buffer should be even larger. Why liquidity matters more than you think. In India, families often hold multiple assets, real estate, gold, long-term investments, but when faced with emergencies like hospitalization, legal issues, or job loss, they discover these assets are not easily monetizable. Liquidity is the ability to access your money without delay or loss, and it's one of the most overlooked aspects of personal finance. Most people begin their financial journey asking, where should I invest? Instead, they should ask, am I prepared for risk? Without liquidity, investments become castles you can't enter when it rains. Poor liquidity equals poor planning. Even high-income professionals with SIPs and real estate portfolios often find themselves unable to access Rs 10 lakh within 24 hours during a crisis. This isn't just poor planning, it's a structural mindset issue rooted in how Indian households perceive money. Financial planning doesn't begin with chasing returns. It begins with risk preparedness. 3 questions before you invest. Before choosing a mutual fund or starting an equity SIP, ask yourself, do I have an emergency fund covering 6 to 8 months of expenses? Do I and my family have adequate health insurance? Do I have term insurance to protect my dependents? If the answer to any of these is no, you're not financially ready to invest. You're financially exposed. Risk management is foundational. Risk management is the first step in financial planning. It helps you avoid panic, regret, and wealth erosion when life throws curveballs. Many plans fail because they chase returns without preparing for the 4 Ds: death, disease, disability, and disaster. These events disrupt cash flow, lifestyle, and financial stability. Without liquidity, families are forced to break long-term investments, pay exit loads, or take high-interest loans, all avoidable with proper planning. What does good liquidity planning look like? Emergency fund covers 6 to 8 months of expenses, more if your income is variable. Where to park it? Use safe, accessible and inflation-smart options like liquid or overnight mutual funds, arbitrage funds, short-term debt funds. Avoid locking this money into long-term insurance schemes, traditional LIC policies or ULIPs. These are not liquid instruments. The goal of an emergency fund is access, not accumulation. Liquidity enables calm decision-making. Once your liquidity foundation is in place, your investments remain uninterrupted, long-term compounding continues, and you make decisions from a place of calm, not crisis. Life doesn't wait for financial readiness. Markets don't pause for rethinking. Wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how well you can hold on to it. That's where real financial planning begins. If you find our content valuable, we kindly invite you to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest videos.